Hi there, this is Penelope. This is a short video on the keywords that you use for applications. And yes, I know there is a spelling mistake there. Never mind. You know what the word is spelled like. Right. At this stage of the course, we assume that you know how to do this. Assume that you know how to find that point and the -0 point there, that x is equal to -1, x equals 6. I assume that you know how to find that the vertex is at the point 5/2 and 12.5. Sorry, 12.25, 12 1/4. Now, what we've got to look at, though, is at the vertex, what does the x value mean? Well, the x value means, or it answers the question, when is the object at the maximum height? Now, the y value at that point will tell us how high does the object go. If we're looking to answer a particular question, how high is the object after so many seconds? What we would do to answer that is that we would simply plug that number into the graphs equation. So for this one, y is equal to -x² plus 5x plus 6. So if we wanted to know how high the object is after 1 second, we'd simply plug 1 into that. Now, if we've got these practical ones, most likely these are going to have time on the horizontal and maybe height on the vertical or distance. Let's look at what we could be asking ourselves at the 0 point, at the +0 point. This would answer the question, when does the object hit the ground? Or how long is the object in the air? The y-intercept, in this case it was at 6. This answers the question, how high off the ground does the object start? Now this is the initial height. That's another question. What's the initial height? Now, this -0 point, for this particular sense where we're looking at applications only, then we've got time. This is then a negative time, and that doesn't really work. So in an applied situation only, so we'll just put that there, that's really important. We're only talking about in an applied situation, then this 0 gets thrown out. You can't have negative time. So those are some of the questions that you can take the answers to from the actual graph. So the vertex, the x value, the y value, they tell us things. The y-intercept tells us something. The 0 points tell us something as well.